Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the double crochet. So you start out with your slip knot first. Tighten the slip knot up. Get your hook. Tighten the slip knot around your hook. And we're going to begin to chain a chain of 10. Chain 1. Chain 2. Chain 3. 4. Chain 5. Chain 6. Chain 7. Chain 8. 9. And chain 10. Now we're going to go ahead and bring the yarn over the hook. Insert our hook into the work. We're going to go ahead and pull up a loop, which brings 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over. We're going to pull through the first 2 loops, which leaves us with 2 loops remaining on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through the remaining loops. That's our first double crochet. Again, yarn over. Insert your hook into the work. Pull up a loop, which makes you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over. Pull through the last 2 loops. We're on our second double crochet. Again, yarn over. Insert your hook into the work. Pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over. Pull through the remaining loops. Again, yarn over. Insert your hook into the work. Pull up a loop. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over. Pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the work. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops. And then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Double crochet is also a very easy stitch to do. Practice makes perfect. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over. Pull through the remaining loops. I hope that this helps you. Practice makes perfect, like I said before. Keep on watching until you get it. And I hope that this really helps, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.